Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change country on Subway Surfer. To change your country on Subway Surfer, first of all open your Subway Surfer application on your mobile device. Once you open up your application, from the home section, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to scroll down until you see the country or region option. From the list of country options, select the one you'd like to change to, and then the changes will apply shortly. That is how you will be able to change your country or your location on Subway Surfer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.